Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I've got this month for June, the King Cole yarn for June. I'm going to open this one up and we'll see what's inside, to see what new yarn King Cole is bringing out for this month. Now it's a surprise to myself as well what yarn is going to be. Oh, look at this. Now we've got some goodies as usual. Chocolate. I love knitting. There should be an I love crochet one as well. Got some patterns. There's always a pen. There'll be another badge in there somewhere. Now, we've got some patterns. Got my little notes. A little thank you. And what we have today. So, this month's King Cole, we're excited to show you our beloved Finesse Cotton Silk DK. Oh, that sounds nice. A luxurious natural fibre yarn, available in 22 elegant shades. We hope you love this beautiful yarn as much as we do. And don't forget to tag us in your creative journey. Now I'm going to pop that aside. I'm going to fix my desk up a little bit. Now we'll have the patterns. They always send the patterns that they're bringing out with this. And most of the time they're knitting, and I always pass them on to my friends because I don't do a lot of knitting, but you can crochet with this. That is so pretty, that. How many patterns? I've been doing my garden today. So, right, this is a double knit jumper, a sweater. It's really pretty. And you've to knit this in the round. Oh, and you can do that with knitting needles that are joined with a wire. And that's a pretty one as well. There's two on that pattern. So both the patterns will be inside there. And you just check online on Google for your closest stockist of King Cole yarn. That's a really pretty one. That's done in the round as well. But you can use the yarn for anything. That's really pretty. That's a pattern. So we'll pop them aside and let's have a look at this yarn. I'm going to tip the box up like this. And there's 3 packages. Now it says there's 22 colours in this Finesse cotton. It's cotton silk. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at the colours in that. I need to move the box off to the side a little bit. Oops. Just so we can get this in. Oh, look at those colours. They are so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's soft. Now you don't just need to do clothes and things with this. You can make scrubbies, you can make hats, you can make t-shirts, blankets even. They'll be nice and cool because it's this beautiful cotton silk. It's so soft. Look at the colours. Amazing. Wow. So, you know, even just one starting from there and working my way around and do a little blanket. Now it's 50 grams, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 500 grams. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these colours. So maybe there's going to be more in the other ones of the other. This one is fondant. It's a 50 gram ball. The colour number is 2825. This one's fondant. It's 77% cotton and 23% silk. So 131 yards, that's 120 metres. And you can get King Cole yarn all over the world. It tells you to use a US 6 or a 4mm crochet hook or a 4mm knitting needle. That's so pretty. Now that one is fondant. We keep these in this order. I like the way they've ordered them. This colour is English Rose. 2813, that's the number for that. This one, oh, it's called Finesse. This is Lilac Mist, and its colour number is 2823. This is a pretty one. Tulip, beautiful. 2826 is the colour number for that one. This one is Antique Lilac. That is so pretty. These three go together. Beautiful. Look at that. I'm going to make it go that way. I'm going to do a blanket in all these. So that one is the Antique Lilac. 2814 is the number for that. This one is Wisteria. Colour 2822. This one, oh, this is so pretty. And look at that, it's got a little sort of weave in it. That's pretty. This is soft pink, and the number is 2812. This one is Blush. The number is 2831. This one is Cream. 2811. That would make a beautiful top for the summer. And this one is Primrose. 2828. And that's those. Now I'm going to try and keep them that way. I can always refer back to my video for the colour sequence. And I'm going to pop that over there. We'll take the next one out. Oh, look at these. These are all the other colours. Oh wow. These are so pretty. So we'll start from this side. It's 50 grams again. They're all 50 grams. This one is soft blue. And the number is 2815. This one is denim. 2816. This one is navy. The colour number is 2820. That's pretty. And this one is stone. Colour 2818. That's a nice combination as well. Silver 2819. This one I think is black. Noir. That's black. 2824. I like these. These are so pretty. This is opal. 3680 is the number for that one. This one is Glacier. 2817. Soft. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And there's 12 in that one. That makes 24. There's a 12. 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 10. So that makes 22. So this bundle and this bundle are all the colours. So we did that one. Did we? That one's Ice. 2829. This one is Olive. The number is 3681. And this one is Mint Green. It's mint. 2827. It's pretty. And this one is white. 2810. And that's the whole 22 colours in this range. It's beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 600 grams. So that's enough to do a nice blanket as well if you want to do a nice blanket for the summer. It's nice and light, this. It's really pretty. Cotton yarn always makes really nice scrubbies for your in the shower, like the long ones for your back or the smaller ones for just to do the rest of your body. It is so pretty that. I'm going to keep that in that way. Keep all these together. There, and we'll see what's in this last one. It might just be a whole pack of one colour. I didn't get a crochet badge this time. Usually you get a knitting bag and a crochet. Well, not the bag. I didn't get a bag either. Usually you get a little bag and you get a knitting and a crochet badge and chocolate and a pen. Now this one, I think this one's all the same colour. Yep. So I can make something with it. That is so pretty. Now this is a bag of this one. This is the mint. And the number is 2027. And there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 of the 50g balls. Beautiful. It's really soft as well. It's really nice and light for summer. Beautiful to make. You don't need to make a jumper or a sweater. You can make a cardigan. You can make summer tops. You can even use it to make hats, scarves. It's nice and bright in the winter and nice and warm because it's cotton. And nice and light too. And you can really feel that silk that's in there because it is so soft. So I want to thank King Cole and yourselves. Thank you very much for watching. Pop into your local stockist and see what they've got in the King Cole range. You can Google it. There's lots and lots of sellers that do King Cole yarn. And this finesse cotton silk is the new yarn for the month of June. So please subscribe to the channel, and if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. I'm going to find myself something to make with some of this yarn. I'll find a nice pattern, a nice stitch, and I think I'll make a couple of blankets with it. With this, I think I might make myself a nice summer top because it's really pretty. It's really make me kind of just a nice easy little sort of tank top with it. So that's my plan for that. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.